Another above average day here in West Michigan. Was nice enough that we've dressed up the weather deck for the holiday season. Looking good out here. Now all we need is to add a little bit of snow. Well, not for Thursday, but for Friday. Thursday's weather, 13 weather ball blue, no change. Cooler weather in view, but no change to the dry weather pattern. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Introducing Wilson. Wilson almost blending in there with the fall leaves. Wilson, take Lisa and Joel out for a walk this evening. Should be just fine with a green paw, comfortable temperatures, light winds. A little chillier in the morning, but going to give you the green paw for your walk there. Thanks, Wilson, for looking good. Well, tonight there is a full moon. It's going to occur at 11:08. It's already come up, but you can't see it because it's cloudy right now, but clouds are going to thin on out. So this is the full cold moon. That should speak well enough for why it's called that. Solar energy a little bit more than we saw today. We saw a couple of hours of sun here in Grand Rapids late morning, early afternoon before the clouds came on in, but no wind. So not helping out there, creating green energy from the light winds. Got a little bit of a cold front coming on through. That's why the winds have been light. It also was enough to drag some moisture off the lake. A little bit of drizzle with that for a little while, but that's all dried up now. We're watching that front push to the southeast. Skies will be clearing in most areas tonight, and then will become mostly cloudy again on Thursday after some morning sunshine. This is the storm we've been talking about for several days now. It is going to come up and just creep into southwest lower Michigan to start your day on Friday. Limited impacts with this, and it will be about a 6 to 12 hour event now. Not everyone will see snow, especially north of I-96, at least sticking around anyway, and just as quickly as it comes in, it will move on out. Yesterday we talked about some snow flurries Saturday night. Looks like there might be a little bit more moisture for Saturday night into Sunday morning, so there might be a little bit more snow accumulating, especially north of Grand Rapids, but then it's just going to quiet down on Sunday. So two very low impact systems coming through during the day Friday and again while you're sleeping Saturday night. Between now and Friday morning, nothing's going to be accumulating here in the greater Grand Rapids area. This is a Friday's snow, about an inch plus down to the south, maybe a little bit more, and then perhaps another inch on top of that Saturday night before it ends on Sunday morning. Long range outlook says we're going to change the weather pattern. A little bit higher chance for colder weather here in the Great Lakes region starting on the 15th of December through the 21st, and an equal chance for more or less precipitation, but trending drier, at least from system snows anyway. Tonight, skies will become partly cloudy, mid and upper 20s north to 30 south along the lakeshore, northern part of our viewing area, mid 20s to upper 20s around Fremont and Greenville, and from Grand Rapids southward, upper 20s to low 30s. 13 on your side forecast. Just about everyone, not everyone, just about everyone will see some light snow on Friday. A lot of that will be melting. Saturday night, we've introduced that chance of some snow, and then dry Monday, Tuesday, and Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And we're trending more now toward rain. That will be Tuesday night and Wednesday before it ends. And then that sharply colder air coming in toward the end of next weekend, with highs only in the 30s. So again, a little bit more festive. We could use that out here on the weather deck.
Yes, and George, I think the weather deck looks really great. I love that.
It looks amazing. Another quiet day here in West Michigan. That'll change a little bit as we get closer to the weekend. We're still tracking a little bit of snow on Friday. But for Thursday, 13 weather ball is blue. Just a little bit cooler weather in view. Instead of 40s, we'll be in the upper 30s. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Highs today in the mid 40s with that snow up north. Only made 35 in Big Rapids. All of that melted though today. That 46 came within 2 degrees of our forecast high of 44. We try to get within 3 degrees. That's our target. 5 days in a row we have done that. Lots of cloud cover this afternoon. There was a momentary bit of sunshine later this morning and into the early afternoon, but the clouds have returned. But these clouds will clear on out, give us a chance to see that full moon in the sky, which is happening at 11:08 tonight. Nationally, all of the active weather is down to our south, down here in Texas and Oklahoma. Meanwhile, there's a cold pool of cold air up to the north, not coming in our direction anytime soon. Jet stream is going to keep that locked up north. This little wave right in through here is going to bring us a little bit of light snow on Friday, and again, perhaps Saturday night. But we will see a milder weather pattern until the second half of next week. couple of very strong systems coming on through. This one is toward next weekend. That's really going to draw down a lot of cold air for the following weekend, just not this weekend. Our models are showing clearing skies overnight tonight, and by Friday morning, a little bit of light snow may affect your morning commute, but more likely your evening commute as that snow comes to an end. It's not going to be a whole lot. This will be a low impact system. On Saturday, we talked about some flurries yesterday coming in. Looks like there might be a little more than flurries, perhaps an inch of snow Saturday night, but that'll all end by Sunday morning. In terms of snowfall up through Friday morning, not much happening here, but throughout the day, there could be up to an inch plus from Grand Rapids down to the south. And then Saturday night, as that next system comes down from the north, there might be an additional 1 inch of snow. Some of this will be melting. And then next week, we'll see mainly rain now with the next system coming through. Forecast for tomorrow, we'll start out with some sunshine after skies clear late tonight, but the clouds will be back with us by late afternoon. Highs will be a little bit cooler than today. Upper 30s north to near 40, low 40s from Muskegon and Holland southward along the lakeshore. A northern part of our viewing area will start out with a little bit of sunshine, but then becoming cloudy once again. Mid 30s along the US 10 border, and right around 39 to 41 Greenville and Fremont. And from Grand Rapids southward, we'll be in the upper 30s to low 40s, not quite as warm as we saw during the day today. 13 on your side forecast. Most areas will see snow on a Friday, a lot less to the north. In fact, maybe just a few flurries. Further south, you might see up to an inch plus down between I-96 and I-94. Dry Saturday. Saturday night, we've put that chance of light snow in the forecast, but dry on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of next week. We're trending with just rain now next Tuesday and Wednesday, followed by falling temperatures Thursday. And that cold air coming in for the following weekend will lead to some lake effect snow.